Welcome to the world of digital products, a space where you create once and sell endlessly. Imagine building something just once and then watching it generate income for you over and over again without the need to constantly restock or ship anything. No inventory, no shipping, just pure scalability. You don't need to worry about running out of stock or dealing with lost packages. Your business can grow as big as you want, without the headaches of traditional logistics. Digital products are anything you can sell and deliver online. Ebooks, software, courses, templates, or even a simple checklist. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your offerings to your unique skills and passions. The beauty? Instant global distribution, 24/7. Your products are available to anyone, anywhere, at any time. You can literally make sales while you sleep. Unlike physical goods, digital products have high profit margins and minimal overhead. There's no need to rent storage space or hire a shipping team. Most of your cost is upfront. After that, nearly every sale is profit. Once your product is created, you can sell it an unlimited number of times with almost no additional cost. You're building an asset that can generate income for years. Update it, improve it, and keep earning. Your digital product can become a true source of passive income. This model offers freedom, work from anywhere, on your own schedule. Whether you prefer a beach, a bustling city, or your own living room, your business goes wherever you do. Imagine launching a product from a coffee shop or checking sales while on vacation. Your business fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. All you need is an idea, a computer, and the drive to learn. You don't need a huge budget or a team to get started, just your creativity and determination. The world is online, searching for solutions, skills, and entertainment. Every day, millions of people are looking for knowledge, tools, and inspiration that you could provide. People are comfortable buying digital goods, creating a massive global market. The demand for digital products is only growing as more people embrace online learning and remote work. You're not limited by geography. Your customers can be anywhere. Your reach is truly global, and your impact can be too. Thousands have already built successful businesses this way. From solo creators to thriving teams, digital products have changed lives and opened up new possibilities. This guide will show you how to turn your idea into a profitable online business. Step by step, you'll learn how to create, market, and sell your digital products to a worldwide audience. Ready to escape the traditional grind? If you're tired of the 9-to-5 routine and want more control over your future, this is your chance. Let's dive in and get started. The journey to digital freedom begins with a single step, and that step is now. Your digital journey begins now. Embrace the possibilities, and let's build something amazing together. The very first step on your digital product journey is simple, but crucial. Decide what to sell. This decision sets the tone for everything that follows, so take a moment to really consider your options. Great digital products are born from your passion, your expertise, or by solving a real problem people face. Think about what excites you, what you know deeply, or what you wish existed to make life easier. Start by making a list. Write down what you love, what you're naturally good at, and what friends or colleagues often ask you for help with. These are clues to your unique strengths and potential product ideas. Remember, your unique knowledge and experiences are valuable. Don't underestimate what you know. For example, you could create fitness plans, design templates, or even share your expertise through online courses. Other ideas include music tracks, meal plans, budget spreadsheets, or plant care guides. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you enjoy creating and what others might need. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to validate them. Don't skip this step. Validation helps you avoid wasted effort and ensures there's real interest in your product. Dive into forums and online groups. What questions keep popping up? What are people struggling with or searching for solutions to? These pain points can inspire your product. Check out marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. If you see competition, that's a good sign. It means there's demand. Study what's already out there and look for ways to stand out. Your goal is to find a gap or a unique angle you can offer. Maybe there's a feature missing or a specific audience that's underserved. This is your opportunity to shine. Be specific with your product idea. Not just a generic fitness guide, but a 30-day home workout plan designed especially for busy moms who need quick, effective routines. This is your niche, a focused segment of a larger market. The more specific you are, the easier it is to connect with your ideal customers. Niches mean less competition and a stronger, more personal connection with your audience. You'll be able to speak directly to their needs and build trust faster. Your product should feel tailor-made for your ideal customer, as if you created it just for them. This personal touch sets you apart from generic offerings. Take your time with this process. Choosing the right product and niche is the foundation of your digital business. Don't rush. Thoughtful planning now pays off later. Nail this step, and you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Ready? Let's move on to the next phase of your digital product journey. Now, where will you sell? Two main options: online marketplaces or your own website. Marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad have built-in audiences and handle payments and delivery, perfect for beginners. Downsides? They take a cut and limit your control over branding. Building your own site, Shopify, Squarespace, WordPress, gives you full control and higher profits. Your site becomes your brand's hub, but you must drive your own traffic and handle setup. For most beginners, start on a marketplace to validate your idea and make first sales. Once you see traction, consider building your own site for long-term growth. Choose the path that fits your stage and goals. The right platform sets the tone for your business. Ready to prep your product for launch? Let's go. End of scene. 15. Now that you've created your digital product, it's time to get it ready for sale and make sure it stands out in the marketplace. This step is crucial. Presentation and pricing can make all the difference in attracting your ideal customers and driving sales. Start by giving your product a clear, benefit-driven name. Make it obvious who it's for and what it delivers. A great name grabs attention and instantly communicates value. So take your time to brainstorm and test a few options. Next, write a compelling description. Focus on the benefits your product provides, not just its features. Explain how it solves a problem or improves your customer's life, and use language that resonates with your target audience. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits for easy scanning. This helps potential buyers quickly understand what they're getting. Tell a story. Show how your product can transform the customer's life. Share real examples or testimonials if you have them. Be honest, persuasive, and authentic to build trust. When it comes to pricing, don't undervalue your work. Remember, your expertise and effort have real worth. Set your price based on the value your product delivers, not just the time or effort you put in. Think about the transformation or results your customer will experience. Research your competitors to see what similar products are charging, but don't just copy their prices. If you offer more value, don't be afraid to charge more. Stand out by highlighting your unique selling points. Consider offering pricing tiers, a basic version for those on a budget, and a premium option with extra bonuses or features for those who want more. This value ladder lets customers choose what fits them best, increasing your chances of making a sale and serving a wider audience. When you're just starting out, setting a lower introductory price can help you attract your first customers, gather reviews, and build momentum for your product. As you gain credibility and positive feedback, don't hesitate to raise your prices. Higher prices can signal higher value and attract more serious buyers. Remember, a well-designed product listing and smart pricing strategy set you up for consistent sales and long-term success. Next, let's make sure your checkout process is seamless and user-friendly, so your customers can buy with confidence. End of scene. 16. A smooth, secure checkout is essential. Marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy handle payments and delivery for you. If you build your own site, connect Stripe or PayPal, setup is simple and secure. Automated delivery means customers get instant access after purchase. Test your process, buy your own product, check every step, and fix any issues. A flawless transaction builds trust and keeps customers coming back. With payments and delivery set, you're ready to focus on marketing. Let's get your product in front of buyers. End of scene. Now, let's get the word out. Focus on the platforms where your ideal customers hang out: Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Facebook groups. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one or two and do them well. Share valuable content tips, tutorials, or free samples related to your product. Build trust and authority. People buy from those they trust. Mix in promotional posts, highlighting benefits and where to buy. Email marketing is your secret weapon. Start building your list from day one with a freebie, like a checklist or sample. Nurture your list with regular, helpful emails. When you launch, send a series of emails explaining the problem you solve and sharing testimonials. Email subscribers are your most likely buyers. Social media brings awareness. Email drives sales. Combine both for maximum impact. Ready for your first sales? Let's make it happen. End of scene. That first sale is a game changer. Start with your personal network. Share your product and excitement. Launch with a limited time discount or bonus to create urgency. Collect reviews by offering free access to a few people in exchange for honest feedback. Social proof builds trust and drives more sales. Collaborate with micro-influencers or creators in your niche. Offer commissions or free access for a mention. One shout-out can spark momentum. Early wins set the stage for long-term growth. End of scene. First sales are just the beginning. Now, let's scale. Launch an affiliate program. Let others promote your product for a commission. Expand your product line to serve existing customers and attract new ones. Listen to customer feedback for ideas and improvements. Engage your audience. Ask what they want next. Consider paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google to reach targeted buyers fast. Paid ads can turn your marketing into a predictable growth engine. Stay customer-focused and keep innovating. With the right strategies, your digital product business can thrive for years. Ready to take the next step? Your journey to digital success starts now. End of scene. 13.